Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add pre-made layouts in your wpbakery WordPress website. Let me log in into my demo website. Just add /wp-admin. Then simply you can add your own login details for your website. Now let's go to dashboard. Here you can see I have installed wpbakery page builder plugin. And if you want to get this plugin, just you can go on its official website. Then here you can check the features and pricing. For single website you can get it for $59, and after that simply you can upload the plugin file. Okay guys, if you want to add some pre-made layouts, just you can search for wpbakery and you will find out various plugins. Simply you can install this one, layouts for the wpbakery, and after that activate it. Then let's reload the page. Now scroll down and here you can see on the left side layouts option. Click here. And after that now scroll down. Here you can see these are pro layouts and these are paid. Scroll down and here you will find out various free layouts. Let's see. This one here you can see, if you are building a restaurant or hotel website, just you can select this one. Let's preview this layout. Okay, that looks professional for the pizza website. And now let's import that. Just install, and after that here you can see we can create a new page. For example, I can give a name, pizza, home page. Then click here, create new page, and it will take just few seconds. After that a new page will be created and simply you can change your own content, for example contact details and various other content. So let's wait. Okay guys, here you can see page is imported. Now let's go in the pages and check. Here you can see page is available, but that is in draft. Just click here, quick edit, scroll down, then publish, then update. Now let's view page on the front side. That's perfect, it's working fine. And if you want to edit this page content, just you can go here, edit option. And after that here you can see this is backend editor. You can also use front-end editor. Then simply you can edit any of the, for example, heading. Click here on the pencil icon and here you can replace with your own content, then save changes, then final step is update. In this way you can easily add pre-made layouts in your wpbakery WordPress website.